I am pursued my graduate in GRT Institute of Engineering Technology in the stream of Aeronautical and Electronics Engineering. And after the completing my graduate, I done my internship at Shiash Info Solution in the stream of Python, and joined as a quality assurance in the Delphi TVS as a diesel system private limited. I have experience as a quality assurance in the 6 months experience. Then I searched. I have to learn computer based on IT sector. I have to learn some codes. So I searched Besant Technologies and BTM. And my coordinator was Mr. Vignesh. He instructed me to do some courses. So I selected as a Linux, AWS and Python. First I have selected as a Linux, and my instructor name is Mr. Hakim, and it will take 30 days class. First of all, he coming with basics. He well trained me based on the Linux. Most of the companies I attend, and finally I attend as a TCS. I get offer is yearly with a package of 3.3. Now I am learning with AWS and Python. And my AWS instructor name is Mr. Nizam sir. He's also good, and his teaching is very good, and it's very slow, and is explaining many more things, and giving more hands-on to learn easily. It's very helpful for us to learn some topics clearly. Then I go to Python. First of all, it will be very difficult for me. After 1 week, I will learn something, and control statements like that. It is the basic for Python. So I learned that. Then I will learn easily Python. Thank you.